Today we're doing something really special. We're going on a trip into the Bangal Bangals, but we are not going by car, we are flying. First we take a flight from Kununurra to Melbourne Airfield, and from there we will take a helicopter flight over the Bangal Bangal areas, and you will see it's beautiful. We have seen some pictures and it will be amazing. Join us on our trip. There's a Northern Territory sign. And there is a Western Australia sign. We made it to Western Australia.
We made it! Next big thing.
We are on the way to Lake Argyle.
It's a bit of a choppy little track here to get to the small billabong in front of Lake Argyle. So it turned out to be much trickier than expected to get to Lake Argyle.
We made our lunch break today at this small beautiful lake here with this amazing fault lines there. Take you around here. We couldn't really get access to the big lake. Somehow they are not really caravan friendly and we are too lazy to hook up. But we have been here at this small beautiful lake. It's really greeny, lush, quiet, chilled area here. Yeah, it was a nice lunch break. I'm looking here for crops.
So I thought they like slow rivers because they're lazy.
Okay, who's going in there? You or me? We have stopped here at this beautiful old Boab. It's a really big one.
We're coming into Kununurra, guys. We're going to stop for a couple of days, do a little bit of preparation, a little bit of sightseeing from there, checking the car and shopping to be prepared for a week or 10 days or 2 weeks on the Gibb River Road.
We woke up to a beautiful morning in Kununurra, and actually we are glamping. It's meaning we are fully hooked up with power and water. We thought we giving us this treat before we going for the next 10 days into the Gibb River Road. What do you think? Yeah, you like it, I know, yeah. So here are the mini bangles and we're going out for a walk directly at the campsite before we going in a couple of days onto a flight. We will tell you later about that. Yeah, that's our campsite. We are camping under Boab trees. Here are a lot around. It's 8 o'clock in the morning and we are in Kununurra. That is the gateway to go into the Gibb River Road. This area here is called the Mini Bangals, the small brother of the Bangal Bangals. And we're giving us a very special treat. We have booked flights into the Bangal Bangal area. It's a 2-hour flight from here and then we're having a helicopter flight. This we will do tomorrow, but today we visit that here. As I was saying, it is 8 o'clock in the morning, the only time of the day, this time of the season, where you actually can go out for some hiking, otherwise it's getting too hot. It's called the build up here. It's meaning every day the temperature is rising and the humidity is rising and it's building up for the wet season, which will start in a couple of days. Actually it can start any day from now. It's raining and in the moment we are facing daytime temperatures between 36 and 40 Celsius. But look at that, it looks fantastic. Wow. Very excited to see the Bangal Bangals tomorrow. What for a shame. The famous Ivanhoe crossing is closed as the water is too high. We was looking so much forward to cross this thing. And yes, you can cross it normally. Yeah, but it's closed. What can we do? Okay, who's going in there? You or me?
I'm going in.
Oh, nice view.
There's ants in here, okay?
They are saying it's a Prussian tree. It's big enough that someone is in. Wow.
Good morning.
Good morning. There's our pickup. Avier. What are you thinking? It's very exciting. That are the airplanes. Wondering which we will take. Is this one there? Wow. Yeah, bigger than expected.
Stick bags. So our stick bags are a little bit different to the one that we see in the video there. So we have a blue envelope. In the blue envelope, you've got your one plastic bag. That's the one to go for.
It's not a modern Airbus. Strapped in? Good. The flight over the Bungles was already breathtaking, but nothing compared to that what will follow. The flight with a helicopter, no doors, just a very tiny, tiny helicopter. We are at Bungle Airfield or Belburn Airfield, and there are the helicopters for our next ride. So that's our ride there. Actually, it's very tiny. We're moving. Oh, cool, it's that. No doors, fresh air. Back on the ground.
Hey, buddy. How you doing? Hey, buddy. Beautiful. If you got this far, thank you so much. You're a legend. If you haven't already, we would be so grateful if you would consider subscribing. It's free for you and it helps us to keep creating content. Give us a like or comment if you've enjoyed it or if we could improve. Thank you.